Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. China and South Korea are closed on national holidays. The Chinese market will be closed next week, and the Hong Kong markets will close tomorrow. Stoxx 600 Europe is regaining the 1.3% pre-weekend gain. The U.S. futures are heavy. The mix of the dollar is evident. Today's bids are higher for the dollar-bloc currencies, which were heavily beaten up at last week's end. The Norwegian krone is also better. Sterling is one of the top advancers. However, the euro, Swiss franc, and yen have suffered quarter-point losses. Gold was trading at $1,675 before the weekend, but has since been sold to $1,660 and could retest $1,650. December WTI is rising on the prospect that OPEC Plus will agree to reduce 500,000 to 1 million barrels of production. Asian Pacific market. Japan's Prime Minister Kishida will not be distracted by the stronger-than-expected August industrial production and retail sales. It could be the fastest-growing G7 economy in Q3. However, Kishida is pushing ahead with a substantial supplemental budget that will be ready by the end of the month. For the first time since September 22nd Bank of Japan intervention, the dollar is now slightly above JPY 145. The greenback has reached JPY 145.30, indicating that the market is cautious. Tomorrow's meeting of the Reserve Bank of Australia will be the first. It is expected that they will increase by half point the cash rate to 2.85%. The Australian dollar held above $0 and 6,400 cents despite poor price action before the weekend and tested at 0.6460. Market of Europe. S&P had cut its UK sovereign outlook from stable to negative before the weekend. S&P pointed out the increasing fiscal costs related to the tax cuts as well as the increase in borrowing. A wider fiscal imbalance will make it more difficult to manage price pressures. Sterling's recovery from last week's record low of $1.350 has continued. It reached $1.1280 today after reaching $1.1235, its highest point of the week just before the weekend. From 48.5 flash readings and 49.6 in August, the final manufacturing PMI for the Eurozone fell to 48.4 compared to 48.5 flash readings. The final reports from France and Germany were weaker than the preliminary ones. Today, the euro is trading in a range of half cents above $0 and 9,785 cents. Market of America. Atlanta Fed's GDP now currently stands at 2.4%. The third quarter GDP is now at 2.4%. Today's U.S. reports will not be able to match it. The final manufacturing PMI, as manufacturing and construction spending are available. The U.S. dollar closed at its strongest level against the Canadian currency since mid-2020, just before the weekend close to CAD 138.30. Today, it is trading between CAD 137.30 to 138.15. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.